He was waiting for the bus in his army green, sat down at a booth. The cafe there gave his order to a girl with the bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so he gives him a smile. Said, would you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? Feeling a little low. She said, I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat at the pier. Said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to see about the letter to. Would you mind if I sent one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young. For them they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone when the letter says soldier's coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California and Vietnam, and he told her of his heart there might be love and all the things he was so scared of. Said it's getting kinda rough over here. I think about them sitting down at the pier, and I close my eyes and see your pretty smile. Don't worry, I won't be able to ride for a while. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young. But then they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone when the letter says soldier's coming home. One Friday night football game, the Lord's Prayer was said and the anthem sang, and a man said, folks, would you bow your heads for a list of local Vietnam Day? Crying all alone under the stands was a big lone player in the marching band, and one named Red. Nobody really cared but a pretty little girl with a bow in her hair. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young. But then they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone when the letter says a soldier's coming. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young. But then they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone when the letter said a soldier's coming home. A soldier's coming home. A soldier's coming home. Yeah, by request right there. Thank you.